now here we are after we went over this machine and cleaned up all those crazy wires that were down here. We did opt to keep the ever-ready batteries in here, and we just did some fake wires going into the power box. That was that Sears power pack, whatever you want to call it, but it gave the correct voltage out, and we just covered up, painted up a cover over it. Here's the coin chute now, and we have a coin box down here at the bottom. Big improvement from the way it was. It was just last thing you want to do is come inside here and look at a bunch of crazy wiring, like extension cord wire and stuff. And we also had other funny things where the tilt mechanism was completely bypassed, so that was done, and very, very sensitive now. So it'll definitely stop the cheat. So there you have it. Welcome to Vintage Coin-Op Restorations and our latest project. Here we have a Evans Roll-Ette from 1936. It's been completely cosmetically restored and mechanically. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see it, it's like a baby grand piano. Very, very rich. Now how this, let's call it slot machine, operates, you could play 1, 2, or 3 lines, and on each line you can control your bid of what number you want the ball to run on. So your odds are 6 for 1. So let's do 1. Well, we'll put 1 nickel in, and on the bottom of all of these, because here you're literally pushing a mechanism. So take your thumb, push in, and it's always better to hook on the bottom. So now once you put your money in, it allows you to change your bet. And we are gonna go, we'll bring it down to 33.24. And once you make your bet, you press the button, shoot the ball. And we are looking for number 15, 24, and 33. Come on, baby, let's see what we get. And 34, so obviously we're not gonna win. But the red light on the top stays there showing, say if that was a winner, it does pay out. it entices someone to say, okay, what are we going to do next? So now we are going to play not one nickel, and each time I put a nickel in, we're going to play all three. See if we can get a payout. Put this one here. Light it on. Make sure these are always pulled out all the way. Now I am going to change the bets to 28. Move this one up. Okay, and this one. There we go. So we are looking for a 10, a 19, a 28, 26, 14, 5, 12, 21, and 30. So here we go. Hey, we got a winner. So when you do win, you got this little secret door here. And there's our payout. What an incredible machine, and what an incredible piece of furniture here. It is like a piece of jewelry. Very, very proud of this machine. Came out fantastic. Well, there you have it. If you're in the market for a Evans Roll-Ette, if you have one for sale or you need one restored, please give us a call. We're located in Chicago, Illinois. Our phone number is area code 630-624-7466. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can see all the new machines coming to the warehouse. Thanks for watching.